Every 34 seconds, someone in the United States dies from heart disease. That's the #1 killer of adults over 50. But here's what most people don't realize. So many of those heart events could be prevented with one simple change. Not a prescription, not a surgery, but what you put on your breakfast plate tomorrow morning. Let me give you one scary number so you understand why this matters. A major study from the University of Iowa followed thousands of Americans for years. They found that people who skipped breakfast had an 87% higher risk of dying from heart disease or stroke. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. I'm going to explain why each ingredient matters. And by the end, I'm giving you a simple 30-day challenge that could change the way you feel. Let's get started. So here it is. The #1 breakfast cardiologists recommend again and again. Overnight oats with blueberries, walnuts, ground flaxseed, and cinnamon. I know. You might be thinking, oatmeal? Really? But let me walk you through what's actually in this bowl, ingredient by ingredient. And I think you're going to look at this differently. Ingredient #1, rolled oats. Oats are one of the richest sources of a specific type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This is the fiber that's been studied extensively, and I mean decades of research, specifically for its ability to lower LDL cholesterol. The FDA has actually approved a health claim for oats and heart disease, which doesn't happen easily. One serving of oats can deliver 2 to 3 grams of beta-glucan. Research suggests you need about 3 grams per day to see meaningful LDL reduction, and we're going to hit that with breakfast alone. Ingredient #2, blueberries. These are one of the most antioxidant-dense foods you can find in any grocery store. They're loaded with compounds called anthocyanins. That's what gives them their deep color. And those compounds have been shown to reduce blood pressure, lower LDL oxidation, and reduce inflammation in the arteries. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating a cup of blueberries daily for 8 weeks improved vascular function in people with metabolic syndrome. Ingredient #3, walnuts. Of all the nuts, walnuts have the highest amount of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, specifically ALA, or alpha-linolenic acid. Omega-3s are known to reduce triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and support healthy blood pressure. The Mayo Clinic specifically calls out walnuts as one of the top foods for heart health, and a handful, about an ounce, roughly 12 to 14 halves, is the perfect portion for this breakfast. Ingredient #4, ground flaxseed. This one is underrated. Flaxseed contains lignans, plant compounds that act as both antioxidants and a source of additional soluble fiber. It's also another excellent plant source of omega-3s. Studies have shown that daily flaxseed consumption can reduce systolic blood pressure, that's the top number, by several points. For people already managing hypertension, that matters. One key thing, it has to be ground, not whole. Your body can't break down the outer shell of whole flax seeds efficiently. Ground flaxseed means your body actually absorbs the good stuff. Ingredient #5, cinnamon. Last ingredient, but don't underestimate it. Cinnamon has been studied for its ability to improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your body processes blood sugar more efficiently. For anyone managing or watching their blood sugar alongside heart health, that's significant. It also adds a natural sweetness that means you don't need to add sugar. And when you skip the added sugar, you're already doing your heart a favor. Live recipe walkthrough. All right, let's cook. I'm going to show you 2 versions. First, the overnight version, the one I recommend most because it's ready when you wake up and the texture is incredible. Then the quick warm version for those mornings when you forgot to prep or just want something hot. Overnight oats. Here's what you need for one serving. 1/2 cup rolled oats, not instant. 3/4 cup unsweetened almond milk or low-fat dairy milk. 1/2 cup fresh or frozen blueberries. 1 ounce walnuts, about 12 to 14 halves, roughly chopped. 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Step 1. Grab a mason jar or any container with a lid. Add your 1/2 cup of rolled oats. Step 2. Pour in 3/4 cup of your milk of choice. Step 3. Add the tablespoon of ground flaxseed and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon directly into the jar. Step 4. Add your blueberries now. If you're using frozen, you can add them straight in. They'll thaw overnight and release a beautiful purple color into the oats. Step 5. Put the lid on and into the fridge it goes. That's it. You're done for tonight. In the morning, pull it out. Give it a stir. Add your walnuts now. Not the night before because they'll get soft and you want that satisfying crunch. Recipe number 2. Avocado and egg toast. Recipe number 2 is for the people who say, I just can't do oatmeal. I need something savory in the morning. This one is avocado toast with a fried egg. And yes, cardiologists eat this. A lot. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein. And after age 50, keeping your muscles strong is one of the best things you can do for your heart. Strong muscles help you stay active, and staying active keeps your blood pressure down. First, take 1 slice of 100% whole grain bread. Put it in the toaster. Whole grains digest slowly, so they don't spike your blood sugar the way white bread does. While that is toasting, slice 1/2 an avocado in half. Take out the pit. Scoop the green part into a small bowl. Mash it with a fork. Add a pinch of black pepper, no salt. Spread the mashed avocado on your toast. Now, heat 1 teaspoon of olive oil in a small pan over medium heat. Crack 1 egg into the pan. Let it cook for about 2 minutes until the white is firm, but the yolk is still soft. Slide the egg right on top of the avocado toast. And here is the secret weapon. Add a handful of fresh spinach on the side. Doesn't matter if it's cooked or raw. Why spinach? Spinach has something called dietary nitrates. That sounds like a chemical, but it is just a natural compound. Your body turns it into nitric oxide. And nitric oxide is like a pipe cleaner for your blood vessels. It opens them up and lowers your blood pressure almost immediately. Recipe number 3, Greek yogurt and chia seed. Recipe number 3 is for the mornings when you just don't want to cook, when you are tired, or you are running late, or it's too hot to turn on the stove. Now you have to be careful here. Do not buy the little cups of fruit yogurt at the grocery store. Those are not healthy. Look at the label. A single cup of flavored yogurt can have as much sugar as a candy bar. You want plain Greek yogurt, not vanilla, not strawberry. Plain. Greek yogurt has twice the protein of regular yogurt. Protein keeps you full until lunch, which stops you from grabbing a donut at 10 a.m. Take 3/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Put it in a bowl or a tall glass. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. These tiny little seeds are a superfood. They are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, the same healthy fat found in salmon. Omega-3s reduce inflammation throughout your whole body, including your heart and blood vessels. Then add 1/2 cup of mixed berries. Fresh or frozen, both are fine. If you use frozen, just let them thaw for a few minutes. Cardiologist Insight. Now, I want to share a few things that cardiologists and major health organizations have said specifically about the kind of eating pattern we're building here. The American Heart Association has long emphasized what they call a heart-healthy dietary pattern, not a diet, a pattern. Their guidance consistently highlights whole grains, fruits, nuts, and seeds as foundational. They specifically recommend oats and fiber-rich foods as first-line nutritional strategies for managing LDL cholesterol. The Cleveland Clinic's nutrition team frequently highlights the specific combination of soluble fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which is exactly what we have here with the oats, flaxseed, and walnuts, as one of the most well-supported dietary approaches for people managing cardiovascular risk. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. Share it with someone you love, your spouse, your adult children, your neighbor. You might just save a life. And let me know in the comments. Which of these 5 recipes are you going to try first? I read every single comment. Take care of that heart. I will see you in the next video.